guys, welcome back to Clove Technology's YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Emporia Smart 5 and Smart 4. They are typically easy to use and compact, so if you don't know what to get your gran for Christmas, this could be the video for you. The phones are designed to be simplistic and straightforward for those who have trouble with their eyesight, hearing, or navigating their way around technology. I'll start with the 4 first. So we can see on the back of the box, the image of the phone shows a screen of favourite icons such as the camera, maps, internet and email, which would probably be people's most needed applications already downloaded onto the phone. Along with the icons shown on the side of the box such as the phone's training book, WhatsApp, an emergency button and NFC which powers contactless payment. The phone being partially set up already with key applications ready to use makes this phone just that much easier to use. I think all of these key applications being pre-downloaded onto the phone is extremely helpful and reassuring for people that aren't the most confident with technology and may not have people around them to help them. As we unbox the Emporia Smart 4, it comes with a training book which will provide step-by-step instructions on how to set the phone up with clear images showing what everything should look like. The installation manual explains how applications are set up and how they work in the phone, and a Google Pay manual if you do want to use a contactless payment. So far, I feel that these information booklets are really helpful in giving as much information about the phone and how it works by breaking down the instructions into easy to follow step-by-step guides with images showing what to expect as you go through it. The only thing I'd have to comment on is the writing in some of the booklets is quite small, which is odd when they've made the phone icons big and distinguishable so that it is easy to see, and then the booklets have small writing. Now to finish off this unboxing, it comes with the phone itself, a spare back of the phone, which both have a smart and sleek black matted look. There is a removable battery which isn't as common nowadays, a USB adapter plug, and finally a set of headphones. In my opinion, this box comes with everything you'd need for this phone. The only thing I'd advise that would be handy that is not here is a phone case and maybe a screen protector, just to protect your phone against any drops it may encounter. Moving on to the Emporia Smart 5, from looking at the box we can see it has 3 cameras, a built-in training book and the emergency button. The packaging is very similar to the 4, but includes a lot more. Firstly, we have the operation manual, which is similar to the 4's training book, a common cell phones question manual, and again, I do personally think the writing is a bit small. But moving on, we have the phone, which the screen protector shows it has 3 cameras on the back, IP54, water resistant, meaning it will be okay to take out in the rain, but I wouldn't drop it into water, and NFC, which is contactless payment. We have a charging cradle, which you can slot the phone into, a flip phone case, which you actually have to take the back of the phone off to connect the case onto, a charging wire, a USB adapter, plug, and headphones. The headphones are definitely better quality than the 4's, as you can see they have a rubber outing which makes them slightly softer and more padded. On the bottom of both boxes, it shows you need a nano SIM. As you can see, the 4 is smaller than the 5. The 4 has a 5-inch display, whereas the 5 has a 5.5-inch display and is noticeably heavier than the 4. Looking at the designs of the phones, the front is very similar, the only difference is that the 5 has a home button, then on the back of the 5 it has 3 cameras, but the 4 only has an emergency button. The on-off and volume buttons are the same on both of the phones. This is what the phone looks like when you turn it on, so you have the home page, a few favourite apps, so you have a phone, messages, and then you have more favourite apps as shown earlier on the box. And then if you go to the very left, it has your favourite contacts which you can add to, of course, your phone number, an emergency button and the mailbox. The settings can be found over here at the top. So you can get a flashlight, alarm, silent, Wi-Fi. As we can see, the camera quality on the 5 is much better than the 4. Then if we go to options, we can get the front camera, video mode, magnifier, QR scanner and picture size. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to see more of our tech content.